Hey Efren, and I hope all is well. And dito ako, it's ano bang oras ngayon? Actually 9 something na dito in the morning. Ito, tapos ko na mag-exercise kasama ko ang aking pusa, yun no. Hello Kiki, Kiki. Yan, ako tatago na siya. Kanina kasama ko yan. Ayun, sa Sunday, I'll be celebrating my 53rd post-celebration birthday. Thanksgiving. Ayan. And Resurrection Sunday nito, all in one. I hope magpapadala ako ng I hope makahiram ako ng Zoom account. Nagpapadala ako ng Zoom account sa inyo. I would like to request na mag-render naman kayo ng song. Kasi may program ako. 3 hours lang 'yon sa Max dito sa Eastwood Max. So either 12 or 1 o'clock yun, itatry ko i-move sa Saturday tomorrow, kung kakayanin, kasi nga I might attend yung 10 o'clock service, mag-haul kami, tatakbo pa kami sa baba. Nasa baba lang naman yun sa Eastwood. So I hope you could prepare a worship song. Pwede kayo mag-do it. Yung kabisado nyo na Anne, Efren, I hope you could I'll be surprising a lot of people. So it's basically some friends, family members, relatives, iba mga cousin, mga sila Brian, Ayan, Tristan, di na makakapunta unfortunately. I was prioritizing sana mga cousin, and nga sila Marius, Maverick, si Morgan nag-beg off na rin. Si Elmo, wala akong communication whatsoever. Piwi, wala na rin akong communication. So Tita Inday is coming, Tito Uyo. So si Janine, si Joanne, si Jeremy at sila hindi na sasama. So talagang konting-konti na lang sa family unfortunately. So ayun, so para alam niyo yung context nitong ito, God has given me this opportunity as a bridge event para ma-reach out ko yung family members natin na hindi pa kilala sa Panginoon. Tsaka hindi pa talaga kilala akong sino man ako, ang akong story. Digor probably some of them, but most of them doesn't know. So I want to share my testimony, faithfulness ni God sa buhay ko for the past 53 years. Biro mo, until now I'm still alive, diba? Until dito pa tayo. Kaya nga ang aking sinasabi, I might not be here anymore tomorrow, diba? We won't know. That's why I want to take this opportunity to do what God has called me to do, to share my testimony, and also to share the good news of the gospel sa kanila, at saka sa mga kasama ko sa work. I'll be inviting yung boss ko na hindi pa kilala ang Panginoon. May mga kakilala ko na mga high school batchmates na iimbitahin. Hopefully they would agree. Some of them nag-beg off na rin. But I'm not gonna quit. I'll be inviting 30 packs lang ito. 30 packs. So 11 pa lang ang nagko-confirm. So there's still 19, di ba? 19 to go. So ayun lang, I hope you could render pag ma-confirm yung Zoom, I'll send it to you. Magpapadala ako sa mga kamag-anak natin sa Yao family, Tupas family, all of the family or will be available. So hindi ko lang alam ang time zone nila, basta sabihin ko lang yung time of our yung meeting, yung party. So mas probably baka gawin ko lang yung video pag share na ako, o probably yung mga may kantahan, kasi may mga invite nila akong kakanta. Okay, I hope you could attend this coming Sunday. Though it's probably a different time zone sa inyo, I hope you could come and attend. Okay, God bless. Bye.